Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Styles here, aka Keish, and today's video is going to be on how to start trading in the Forex market. Because if you found this video right now, you're probably watching my other videos and you're like, okay, how exactly, what tools do I need to start trading inside this Forex market? So the one thing you need to do is always get educated. Okay, I'm not just talking about just watching YouTube videos, right? I'm talking about really diving deep into a Forex trading academy that's going to teach you from well-known and well-educated mentors on how to trade in the Forex market. The next thing you want to do once you find the proper education is you want to go ahead and download a free app called MetaTrader 4. Once again, that's a free app called MetaTrader 4. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. The next thing what you want to do is after you download that free app is now you want to go ahead and choose a broker. Now, when you're trading the Forex market, you probably watch a couple of other my videos. When you're trading there, you have to use a broker. It's not myself or whoever it is to introduce you to Forex. It's going to be trading on your behalf. You're going to use what's called like a banker. Okay, so because we can't just directly go down to Wall Street and be like, okay, let me go ahead and trade. No, you have to choose a broker, and then the broker is what we utilize on the MetaTrader 4 app. Okay, now I cannot legally recommend any brokers, but you can look around, and what I would recommend you looking up is regulated brokers in the US, brokers for Jamaica, brokers for South Africa, whatever country that you're in. Make sure you put Forex brokers in front of that, and you're going to find a particular broker. Do your research on it, okay? The next thing what you want to do is go ahead and practice on your demo account. Because remember, when you're starting off and you watch this video, you're most likely a beginner. So you want to practice in your demo account first. And when you download that free app MetaTrader 4, it shows you the demo. You got to be able to do a demo account on it. Those are real live numbers in the market moving, but you're going to be using what's called paper money, aka a demo account. Once you get comfortable with your demo account, you've been trading now for like a month or so, you got at least 20 consecutive profitable trades. Now you're going to go ahead and fund and open up your live account. Okay, because now you're going from demo paper money, because now you know what you're doing, over to the actual funding of your live account. Okay, then the last thing you want to keep doing is learning and earning, learning and earning. Okay, so let's put that in real time. What does that look like? Let's show you. So when you're coming over here, the app that I mentioned is MetaTrader 4. Okay, it's a foreign exchange platform that we utilize to trade in the $7 trillion per day market. So make sure when you download it, let's go back one. Let's go back. There we go. It's going to look just like this. So once you download that, you're good to go. Your next step, remember when it comes to trading the Forex market, you want to go ahead and start working on your mindset. Because everyone thinks it's a gambling game. You hop in, you hop out, you're good to go. No, you want to check your vibe. You want to make sure you have a trading plan, knowing the times of day you're going to trade. You want to only risk what you're comfortable losing. And then the recommended book, of course, is Trading in the Zone. So these just make sure when you're starting to trade, even if you're trading your demo account, you have the proper trader's mindset. Now, also to what I recommend when you're learning to trade in the Forex market, find an academy that does like copy and paste trade ideas. This is your easiest way when I did a previous slide where you're learning and you're earning. Okay, what does that look like? That means they're going to tell you exactly what to put into the free app. So if they're telling you, hey, put a buy stop here, they're going to tell you the price, okay? They're going to put a price in here. They're going to give you a stop loss, put your stop loss here and your take profit. So you're literally copying the numbers, but then on the back end, you're still learning, okay? This is where the learn and earn part coming in. So if you find an academy that can do that, you're good to go, okay? So what are your next steps? The first thing you want to go ahead and do is download MetaTrader 4. Remember, it's a free app. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is open up a demo account. And then, remember I mentioned finding an academy that actually has to copy and paste trade ideas, getting educated with the proper academy. I recommend XtreamFX Global Academy. Okay, a phenomenal academy. One of the only African-American owned companies that I know of that's doing the foreign exchange market. Not only do they have the foreign exchange market, they have cryptocurrency. Okay, learn about the metaverse. You also have different financial products. So every single thing that you need is an XtreamFX Global Academy, and they break it down for you from start to finish. Okay, so if you've been recommending this video, make sure you go down to the bottom of this video. You're going to see my phone number. Text me to go ahead and get started. But in the meantime, you want to make sure you download the MetaTrader 4 app, open your demo account, then of course, message me so you can get your link to go ahead and join our academy and get properly trained and educated on trading in a Forex market. This has been Makisha Styles here, aka Keish. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next trading session.